A very good film, but it had an interesting ending. After orbiting the black hole, one of the scientists decides the only way to find out what is going on is to go inside. So he gets into a space probe and dives into the black hole. After a screenwriter's depiction of hell, he emerges into a new universe. This is an early example of the science fiction use of the black hole as a wormhole, a passage from one universe to another, or back to another location in the same universe. Such wormholes, if they existed, would provide shortcuts for interstellar space travel, which otherwise would be pretty slow and tedious, if one had to keep to the Einstein speed limit and stay below the speed of light.